East Khasi Hills constitutes more than 60% of the total cases of Meghalaya. And average cases, as I said, is 180 per day. And last year, it took us about 90 days to get this number of 180 cases, which we are getting in one day. So we can know the severity of the disease and how fast this disease is transmitting now from person to person. Average symptomatic cases we get every day is about 54 cases. That is about 30% of the total cases. And average serious cases per day is about 5 cases. So it means that 54 persons would require hospitalization every day, and 5 cases would be in the ICUs on a daily basis. The total deaths which we have is 654, of which, this I'm talking about yesterday's numbers, of which 366 were occupied and 298 are still available as of yesterday evening. We should think that we are at war, and we are at war with an unseen enemy whom we can't see, and the enemy which transmits to us through our friends and spreads to others also through us. So when we are at war, only thing we can do is either fight or flight, right? But we can't flight, we have to fight. And we also need to know what are the strengths and the weaknesses of the enemy. We know what are the strengths of the enemy, transmits from person to person through respiratory route, and we also know what are the weaknesses. The weaknesses are that we need to contain it. If we can contain it for 10 to 15 days, the enemy dies. So as Ma'am has said, the only way is containment and vaccination.
Ngaku abang ong hangi, bakadan ka target ka bani lasu shin kelum, ba ni kimilanti bala kumno, Henry hajar mais pa frak armut kibriu, kiba hadan hapok pasal shilong ni shilong agglomeration, kidei kiba sau fusan senam kerta, bat kiba dei ben yo ya ke injection. Habai kran ya kani pat hadu menden kasngi kidon lai pupra hajar nhiều spa nhiều pun nhiều mut kiba lakan jo sau fusan senam sheneng kiba la yo ya the first dose, but nidang don shisha ka jingduna. Namar bang idan kam ban yo 6% nimla ban ong bani kwa tang 0% lagi 0%. But habangi ken lang pada but ki frontline workers, but ki healthcare workers ki bala pinjo ya ka safusan senam sheneng ya ka shino agglomeration nilai kot kumbah 100% ki bala shim ya ka ni ka injection. Nakaliang juga district administration, nakaliang juga DMHO office, about the health department. Nila let but nila kentu, but nila kendu shibun ki dorbash nong, ki nong penyat, ki dorbash nong, ki reuniam, ki prepare nila let, but nila kentu, but nila kerpat, ba kiru kenyat kentu ki beriu ban wan syakmat man ai ka vaccination. Pembeban jong Robert Hospital li ong ke goal ke jomi ha bagi ai ka vaccination. The goal is whether if it is reaching the ICU, the goal is 100%. But if it is for milder disease, then 70%. The goal jadi kalau 100% ha bagi 6 point ICU la dani yo ya ka jingpang COVID. Ha bagi kan ban biang ya ke bagi madam li ong ba nati ngidan khatra spa iway ki active case. Medita ki active case 3% kira ada ai ke injection, but 100 pulai mut kita kira belai yo ya vaksin dos. Henry in OEP baru kita kilong stable, kita kamban syang for ICU, kita kam ventilator. Di khot biang bagi kerpat biang di pai baru so what are the haba ai injection Kena mentah bangin ya keren kita ki bam small don shong dori ruem ha ba ya keren ka balong negative ya vaccine ni long slur ha ni tray ka kam ba dei ni tip ni la dem ai vaccine ngan ban yang ke ba doktor men de luang ba ha ba ki sumar ni ba poi po ICU ka khamat jong nong pang ka sentur jong nong pang ka ni hajan bo doktor ngau ha ban tap iki tube ke ba pelong slur yo doktor kadai bola shim ya ka vaksin dengan hot so bahaya barok bagi beladap sampusan nem sheneng ban ya wan ban day ban shep tieng ya ka jing ai ban shim ya ka vaccination
Handai untuk perkat muntahan kita kawan penduna ini kabar kau because ni have app nasi kandon kau beri kau bakam jual manuan dia har tu kau kumbawa dengan madam dari kita upload ke jinsia apa hospital dan ni quarantine isolation jaka tinggi bu hai ini tinggi apa pun seluruh kita iba baik case kita balong mild kumbawa dengan madam bersulang mild fever mild cough kila pun semua hari lagi hai kama ki hapsa ka isolation ni te kadang kadang pamphlet barit if I tested positive what should I do so first thing is don't panic isolate yourself at home reach out to your local health authorities monitor your symptoms when they call you let them know what symptoms you are having and then always use the mask hand washing and your distancing if possible isolation will be best in a room which is separate with a separate toilet so that your mixing up with other members of family is very much reduced. Okay. Most cases can be easily be managed at home, mild cases. So reach out to your local doctor or to your local COVID management unit and determine the severity of the symptoms. They will through the questions and answers, they will be able to determine severity of your symptoms. So individuals with no symptoms or very mild symptoms like low-grade fever, SpO2, oxygen concentration in the body, which is more than 95%, and no breathing difficulty can isolate safely at home. So look for a well-ventilated space to quarantine, and to ensure maximum distance between you and other members of the household, choose a separate room with an unattached toilet, which you can use for yourself. Then you can call the 14410 helpline, which is a dedicated line to call up the health workers to tell about your symptoms, or any time that you feel like talking to anyone for any help, any doubt, please call this number. Then from the health authorities also nearby, they will call you back. And one more thing, after you call this number, a mobile team will be activated. After having known your symptoms from the doctor in charge of the area, they have formed a kit, it's called a small medicine kit, which for home isolation kit it's called. They will come and give to you this kit at home and also teach you how to take care of yourself and how to take the medicines. This kit contains the pulse oximeter to measure your oxygen concentration in the body, a thermometer, some few tablets of paracetamol, ivermectin, and some vitamins. So make sure to report any symptoms that may be warning signs. Maybe you started changing, your health status is changing, it's getting a bit bad. So what are those things? As soon as you get difficulty in breathing, dip in the oxygen concentration, which is now getting lesser than 94%, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, confusion or inability to arouse yourself, and persistent fever, immediately you should let know the healthcare workers so that you'll be taken to a higher center for management. They say like this, that monitor your oxygen levels using the oximeter provided to you at least 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, evening. If you have fever, take paracetamol after food, and also take ivermectin tablet for 2 days after food. Begin your vitamin C with 500 milligram tablet after food for 10 days. Drink plenty of warm fluids and eat nutritious food and rest. Above all, be in touch with your local authorities. So, this is what we are trying to do. Be supportive, careful, alert, and be kind.
You know, the situation in East Khasi Hills in which the numbers are on the rise and the spread is everywhere. We have a locality-wise breakup, a zone-wise breakup. As you know, in the Shillong urban agglomeration area, we have divided it into 7 zones, and we have our CNRD blocks. And we have seen that there is almost no locality or no area which has been spared. In Dr. Roberts' presentation, he has shown that now, if we look at a single day data, yesterday's, returnees constitute only 11% of the cases which are positive. 48% are contacts, 24% are people who suffer from ILI, SARI, other types of symptoms and come to the hospital, and 6% are those who have no travel or contact history whatsoever. So 78% of our cases are not returnees. Our focus all this time, our focus during the first wave was returnees. Track them, isolate them. Now there is already significant community spread. Just to give you a snapshot, these are yesterday's figures in Lagnkra, which falls under Zone 1. Localities under Lagnkra area, 157 cases. Localities under Laban area, 152. Under Sadar PS station, the localities there, 158. Under Lomdengri PS, 106. Under Malpat and surrounding areas, 190. Madanrating, 134. Maulai, 146. When we go to the CNRD blocks, Mauring Penang, 28 cases. Kharashnong Latkro, 16. Mauplang, 28. Shela, 22. Mausanram, 9. Pin Ursula, 17. And when we look at the number of cases in the rural areas as well, we see that there is an increase as the days go by, even with these containment measures. The question which was raised earlier, why have cases increased even if you have contained, even if you have put down these restrictions? Please remember, the cases which are detected today are those which were possibly spread 5 days, 6 days, 7 days ago. A death which occurred today is the consequence of someone not wearing a mask 10 days ago, right? The steps we take today will only bear fruit, or we will only see results a week later, 10 days later. So this is the nature of the disease which we are grappling with, which we are battling with right now. You have heard that in rural areas as well, there are significant numbers of cases. I'll just read out some figures for you. Sora 16, Maudiang 14, Smith 13, Mauplang 10, Shakitan Yong Kendong Ru, Kaladon Kajing Sapriang, Jong Ni Uknyang Jingpang, Haki CNRD block Jongi Ki Bakeleng Saudong Milayo I, Babaro Ki Ladon case, Bad Ladon Ru Ki containment zone, Habon Ki Jaka Kum Hajongsha, Hapo Ishamati, Bad Hasoyong Bad Shaway Shaway. Tang Mentagasni, Hai Artu Sau Kentang, Yo Arteli Ki case, Ki Bayap Nasoyong. Tekani kapin iyangi bakila don bun ki case Shakitan Yong Kendong kabala bandai nakadaw jong kajing rung kajing mi kajing wan jong ki briu sasor kajing ledra jong ki udi uknyang jingpang Shakitan Yong Kendong tingi don kam ban sungthu ba kajing mut jong kani kajing perking ka lockdown kadai ban pinduna ban pinsange si sindon shwa bakan poi kata ka situation ka bangi ong ka bang nyedum la ban control shu ti hakabiadai bat kani ki points kendiat nakaliang jonga hilong ba sungha ban kan mau ba ni baro gi dei ban don kaching kli halade bat nak benta ki bahayeng ba sem jongi benta iwei I positive case I pin sapriang sha artho sangut lada don kano ka case hakawei ka long yeng ni yo I ba kumno ru shispa nakashispa ki kelalong positive Kidon kiyeng haki bagi lah hapan konten baro siyeng namar baro kila positif. Kito kijing yap ki bai doktor ila pule ki peni bakini ki brio ki banyo postnem pra postnem ki bam jumi shano haton nang no ki yo e kaching pang. Kamut bala don ki bahayeng basem jo ki khon ki kseu ki parlok parajor ki bayat trei bayak ta bayat shani shatai bat ki ba le sikim da deng mas kim da but pikir ye kini ki kendon ki wan ra yu khnyang jingpang ki shitom ki brio ki bala tlot lupa ka bormet ti ka jingkerpat nakaliang jonga ka dei ba nila ong ba containment ka ba mut ban pinsuki ban pinsange shisendon ya ka jing sapriang jong uni ujingpang ka jing tlot jong uni ujingpang kalong bala dang nga deng mas pi deng mas pi yang nruput เพียงชิมิตานะจงายจงาอุนุมโยลาดบันขึ้นที่อุนุมโยลาดบันอินเฟคต์ยาพีลาดังนี้ละบันบูดเทคยากินิกันดอนฮับปขัดเซาสนี in one incubation period ยินละบันเตะละคำชิสันดอนกับ point กับกับbagi lai akren syapang u vaksin ngathrai ngam don kam shu ban bun ketin halor kata henrengi kentu ya kibreu ban wan syakmat kenmau batang hadin kendai 4% jong population jong yo ya utika nginum la ban long protected 70 to 90% of us need to be vaccinated so that we can achieve herd immunity. The other option is that every one of us gets infected. But if that is the case, then many of us may also lose our lives. So please, let us take that sense of responsibility to fight the virus. Kabang ako aban ongru, ngin yale ye uni uknyang jing pang, daka jing start, daka jing tip. We will fight this virus with knowledge and with science, not with hearsay, not with rumors, not with false beliefs, and not with sentiments. Ni don kam ban sngap iki doktor. Langi kthakli gilet saki doktor langi bayong khli ngilet saki doktor langi pang ni ur ni sitom ngilet saki doktor ni snap ni but thek kum babatay maki menta ki ong wan sakmat ban shim ya kani kajing yada balai ni ran bin tingi kentu ngi kerpat gila yo ya kajing kersan kabahdu kata-kata nakaliang jong kisnong kinong yalam niam henrai dangdon hi ki section ki bang pat wan sakmat ka health department ka district administration ka COVID task force on the district task force on COVID-19 ka ploy ban wan syakmat ban pinsha ya kinu kijing atatin ban ay ya kijing hikai halor kani so ba ban deng ya laki mas ngila ay ko order ba kajing deng mas hatemo kajing deng mas klem datap ya ka khmut kajing deng mas khli kanum don jing men toy iru em wear your mask and wear it properly ngimla ban tip kan long kumnu la shai la shisni henrei la dangi bot hek bat ni sumar sukhe de kini kendon ngathrai ngin la ban yada yi ki bi ki bathon ki jongi ngidang hab ban bot pikir ya kini ki baro but hadin ba le se ngin hab play suki ngin hab aila de ki breu ban kamai im jakpo ngiru ngidon kam ban let saki kam ki jam ki jongi ngim dei ban shim sting shu ngadang yo ban rung sakat tu kat ni ki government office ki private office ki bank sa ko bagi brio ki dang yo bun ktien klem da deng mas kin mau ba pin yo kem yo khnyang jing pang na ki brio ki ba phi ithu hi iba Robert ila ong Dr. Robert ila ong ba our positivity rate was 16% iway na prangut 1 out of 8 persons tested is positive in this room we are 20 of us. So 3.5, 2.5, at least 3 people here, if we test, we are very likely to be positive. So it means what we have stressed on during the first wave, everyone should consider themselves to be an asymptomatic carrier. Berkat bat Kenya ladi, bapila banlong unong ra, ubla don, kabriu, lani ubriu, pila bandon bupai tau kenyang jingpang henry kimpau, kidakishin. Kumno pinla banyadai ladi, bat yakiway, deng yakimas, head ilaki jong kikti, penjengai iway na iway pat and do not drop your guard.